as what I've written on the screen is that on the one hand, you don't want globalization where you want tourists coming from all over the world and you want them to be the accidental tourists and give them exactly, you know, what they see everywhere else in every single hotel anywhere else in the world. But so there's a homogenizing aspect of globalization, but at the same time you want to protect the uniqueness of the area. So how do you market this? How would you go about doing that? So I've already spoken about the lack of awareness. Serena Hotels with the Norwegian Embassy jumped on this idea. They said, absolutely go for it. I've already spoken about the importance of domestic tourism. One thing we realized is that we have to target our domestic market, and not just the market of people who live in India, sort of in Karachi, Islamabad, and Lahore, but people who live outside of Pakistan. But since not a lot of people are coming from abroad, from Europe and the US, unless they have family over here, which is the Pakistani diaspora, how do we target those? So the idea behind the marketing plan was that what are these people really into, okay? So the way I thought about it was that they love Bollywood, don't we all? And so, and documentaries often, you know, you miss the boat with documentaries. Honestly, you know, in a half-an-hour documentary, you may not have the time for, but you can have a song playing on a loop. So that was one thing that we thought of, that was considered, that have a music video. And a music video that will appeal to a larger audience and to the Pakistani diaspora. So what they love Bollywood. So let's look at singers who are big in Bollywood. That leaves us with the pop artists like Strings and Atif Aslam and Ali Zafar. And then you have the classically trained ones like Rahat Fateh Ali Khan and Shafqat Amanat Ali. The reason why we kind of decided on Shafqat was because of the classical ones, because we wanted to differentiate and have that uniqueness and have that classically trained voice, because pop kind of gets lost in the international market, but classical always remains. So out of the two, internationally, we wanted someone who had a broader appeal, and as you know, Shafqat Amanat Ali is known abroad as the rock star Ustad, and he appeals to the younger audience of teenagers who are going to influence their parents when they come to visit their families in the summer holidays and say, oh, it's really hot, there's load shedding, there's no electricity, let's go up to the north. And they've seen these images on YouTube. We haven't really marketed it too much, and just by word of mouth, we have about 88,000 hits over the past however many months. Definitely less than Kolaveri D, but but at the same time, you know, for something like this, I think that's pretty amazing, where we haven't really gone out and publicized it too much. So there is also part of the DVD, which all of you guys will receive at the end, is a little guidebook to the area. And that guidebook has information about all the hotels that are over there. It has a translation and transliteration of the song. One more thing that I would like to say before we end, and these are pictures from the shoot. I was hoping that part of my team would arrive from Karachi, Suhaib Akhtar. Suhaib was the director, and Shafqat. But since they are not here, I will just tell you a few things about the video and the making of. In the making, we nearly died. And I'm not just saying that metaphorically, or, you know, we really nearly died, seriously. And it wasn't because it was -6 degrees centigrade when we were shooting. Nah, it was close, but that wasn't why we nearly died. We had an accident where the wheel of the Pajero that we were in came off as we were turning a corner, and the Indus was sort of gushing like hundreds of feet below, and our vehicle just skidded and stopped about an inch away from the gravel, which would have sort of plummeted us to our deaths. So I was very stressed out because I thought, this is the recce trip. My director, my star, etc. My team isn't going to come back for the shoot now. So I had to convince them that, no, you were actually saved. Your lives were saved because you're meant to come back and complete this. I mean, whatever it took, I was like, you got to come back. We have to. We've been saved. We're going to do something good. And they did. And to everyone's credit, people really went all out to help us in this video. The director of photography and my director went up on a helicopter over Deosai Plains and the Atabad Lake, and they were able to have these live shots that you're going to see in the music video.